guys. So, I'm playing Tower of Hell until I give up or I rage quit. Yeah, I'm with my friend. Okay. I hope you can hear me well. So, I don't play on my phone that much. Oh, okay then. Where is this logic? I don't understand. Do I have to go up the stairs? Oh my god, I actually have to use the stairs. Yeah. Ew. I actually have to use the stairs. Yes. YT, say hi to my friend. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh wow. Oh wow, oh my god. My gameplay skills are like so epic. Where are the do we watch? Yeah. I see. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Are you kidding me? What? Hey, I'm stuck. There's like this like line. Ow, it's like pushing me. Stop. Hey, I don't want to buy anything. Oh my god, I always seriously have to go this way. Ugh. I don't want to, but okay. Bro, seriously. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is probably... Oh my god. I fell. Oh my god. So bad at obbies. 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 I fell when I was close to. I was like on the orange. Oh my god. Oh my god. How are you so high up? It like tagged, but I don't care. Oh my god. I've never won anything. The highest thing I've ever gotten to was like level 4. How can I fall? That's not even fair at this point. What can I buy? Low gravity. Damn it, I don't have credits. Credits. Effects. How do I buy them like little pool things? Oh my god, I want to buy them so bad. 40 Robux. On the train. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Low gravity. Yes, nice. How is this low gravity? I don't understand. This looks the same. Oh my god. Oh my, wow. Wait a sec. Why is everything going so fast? Why is the time so fast now? It's not fair. I can never make it to the top, and I don't want to go like film on my. No, we even bought invincibility, and I bought with money. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I almost fell. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, I'm so unmotivated making this video. Wait, what? How? Okay. Okay. Let's start again.
Oh my god.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Nice, it's pink. Go away.
No.
Seriously, please.
I don't want to watch, please. Can I just watch?
Why?
I'm finished playing Roblox Got Talent.
I don't care.
Can I please just watch?
No. Go watch other videos. I'm less
I can't even
epic.
watch YouTube on my computer.
Okay, fine then. Can't
So
watch.
I can't watch you, Mina Sun.
Shut up. That's not even how you say it. Stop being mean.
I don't
Go
even know how
away.
to say it. Mina on.
Go away. Go play Roblox. Go play Roblox Got Talent.
No, it sucks.
I don't care if it sucks or not. Hey, I keep falling.
And it hurts my stomach. And it hurts my feet.
I spent Robux on this game.
Sorry.
Can't believe it. Oh my god. Is she AFK? Probably is, but yeah, she's my bestie. She my bestie, she my bestie.
Oh my god, that's gonna be so loud.
Yeah, no
I
poop,
can't watch
Charlotte.
just be watching that at 3 a.m. and just like with headphones on, like with those.
What time are we recording?
And I'm just gonna be like,
No!
oh
Whoa! I was so far. Well,
like
I'm
that, she my bestie.
I'm gonna be playing loads of random obby games later because I want to get better.
A random game. You're gonna play some random games. Are you sure you don't want to play copyrighted artists?
I don't want to play a copyrighted artist.
Why? You can
I don't
only
want
share.
to. Go
Guys,
away, I'm recording.
Comment down below if you want her to play.
I'm not going
copyrighted
to.
artist.
I'm not going to. I get like 3 views on my videos. Nobody's gonna comment that.
Say for her. In the chat. Play copyrighted artist, and she will to make you happy.
No.
That means that everyone's gonna unsubscribe. Am I right?
Fine, go and subscribe then. Just leave me alone. All you do is being annoying. Yeah, nobody cares.
Yeah.
Okay, oh my god. If this is like literally talking to my friend more than actually playing the game, and you can see how bad I am at obby games on Roblox. I'm not gonna end the video though.
No, are you gonna do it when you complete it in like 3 hours?
Shush, stop being mean. All you do is be mean. Just stop. Sorry. My brother was being mean to me because all he does is be mean to me. My brother's trying to be funny, but he's not. He'll never be because... All I do is fool. Oh my god. I really want to rage quit right now.
Rage quit.
I actually hope like it's really good quality because I actually put in headphones for this. I bet it's gonna be like over like. Oh my god! I keep falling.
That's gonna be really loud. That's gonna be really loud, bro.
Oh my god! I keep falling, and I was so close this time. I was so close to beating the level. I think probably not.
Ninja.
I bet this is gonna be like 16 minutes long. I can't believe I'm handling it so well. Like on my computer, I would be rage quitting. I'll rage quit from like not making it one. God, I lagged. Oh, people play this. Sorry if I offended anybody, but like I just find like collecting halos in a Tower of Hell game, like an obby game, is a bit pointless. The Halo thing is pretty pointless for an obby thing. Oh my god!
Okay, I'm just gonna go like
Oh my god.
just gonna get it up like a super speedy. Super speedy, buddy.
Actually, no, you know what? I'm not gonna carry on recording. I'm gonna record until I rage quit because it's fair, I guess. That's what you click. Oh my god! Why do I always have to keep falling? I keep dying!
Speaking like this, I don't understand. Go. I'll create that evening so I can
The levels.
and then, you know, like, give it to Gorantis.
I wish the levels reset, like, all the time. Like, every, like, 2 minutes they would reset.
Give it some speed. I only like put it away.
Who are you talking to?
Myself.
Weirdo. He's talking to himself.
What's wrong with that?
No.
Myself.
Oh, this color's really cute. I don't want to be tempted by anything in the shop. Oh my god, my friend died. I may have farted. Oh my god. I was so close. Not even close, but yeah. If I can at least get to like the 3rd level in this video, then I'll be happy with that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is it so hard on phone? I wish I was playing on my computer, and I wish I could properly play on my computer. But no, I can't because I have to record my voice, and I want to record my voice. I can't right now. Oh my god. I keep dying. I was actually motivated. Now I'm just waiting until I'm super angry. I was motivated, but now I'm actually... I was so motivated, but now I'm literally just mad. Oh my god. Oh my god. My phone is being so stupid right now. Why do I have to be like born bad at obby games?